In this video, we are going to continue with the reflections. Now here onwards, we have to make use of the graph paper. He's saying that use a graph paper for this question. Take 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the x and y axis. After that, plot the following points A, B, C and D. Then reflect these points on the y-axis and write down the images as B dash, C dash and D dash respectively. Then he says that join A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash and A in order to form a closed figure. And then write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the figure formed. Alright. So let's do this. So we have a graph paper like this, and what we will do is we will first write the scale. So remember, whenever the scale is given in the question, you are given here, take 2 centimeters equal to 1 unit. You cannot use your own scale, right? So here, this is 1 centimeter box, this is 1 centimeter box, right? So he's saying that 2 centimeters you take as 1 unit. So I have combined 2 centimeters and made it as 1 unit, fine? And he says that you use this scale on both the axes, y-axis as well as x-axis. So first thing what you should do is from the board examination point of view, you should write your scale on the top right hand side corner of your graph. So what is your scale? 2 centimeters. So here you will write x-axis. Along x-axis you have written 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. And along y-axis you should actually write it on the upper side, the space that is provided, equal to 1 unit, right? I have done that here. Now he wants us to plot the point A, which is 0 and 4. X is 0 and y is 4, so my A will be here. So this is my point A, 0 and 4, fine. Then B, 2 and 3. B is 2, X is 2 and Y is 3. So this will be here. This is 3 and this is 2. So this will be my point B. Fine. This is 2 and 3. This is A is 0 and 4. Then C, 1 and 1. C is here. 1 and 1. Then D, 2 and 0. D, 2 and 0 means here, this is my D, which is 2 and 0. Now, he wants us to reflect these points on y-axis. So, let's first write that. We'll reflect these points on y-axis. Which are the points which we have to reflect on y-axis? This is my second part. You should never write your answer on the graph paper. It should be written separately on the full scale which is provided to you. So I am reflecting the point B along y-axis. So B is, my point B is 2 and 3. So what will be my B dash? What will be the image of B? When I am reflecting it along y-axis, it will be minus 2 and 3. Fine. Then I have to reflect C. So reflection of C, which is 1 and 1 along y-axis, x, the sign of x coordinate will change, minus 1 and 1. And then reflection of D along y-axis, D is 2 and 0. So it will become, sorry, this will become C dash and this will become D dash as minus 2 and 0. Right? Okay. Now, second part we have answered. Now he's saying join these points. Which points we have to join? Let's come back here and join these points. What are the points that we have to join? A, B, C, D. Okay, let's first join A, B, C, D. This is A and B. Then C. Okay. and then D. Okay, I have joined. Then D dash, C dash, B dash and A dash. For that I need to plot these B dash, C dash and D dash here. What is my B dash now? My B dash is -2 and 3, -2 and 3. I'm going to plot here. So this is my B dash, which is -2 and 3. Then C dash is -1 and 1, -1 and 1. So it's going to be here. So this is my C dash, -1 and 1. Then D dash is -2 and 0. So it is here. This is my D dash, -2 and 0. Okay. Now let's join the rest of the points. A, B, C, D I have joined. Now he says D dash. So this already joined. This is a lying on x-axis. C dash, okay. Then I will join with this. I will join C dash. Then B dash, okay. I'm joining this B dash with C dash. And then A. And then with this, I am joining this point A. Right? So I got the figure like this. Fine. Okay. Now he wants me to, I have formed a closed figure like this. Write down the equation of the line of the symmetry of this figure. Now what is the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is that line which divides the figure into exactly two shapes. Now can you guess from this figure which can be the line of symmetry here? Obviously y-axis. Y-axis is the line of symmetry, right? Because this line can divide it into exactly two shapes. That's why it becomes the line of symmetry, right? Now, he's asking us to write down the equation of the line of symmetry. As I told you, you don't have to write the answers for these questions on the graph paper. You should write the answers separately given on your, which is given, your full scapes, right? So you can write, this was your which one? Third part. Okay, third part we have joined. Fourth part is write down. So you will write, since y-axis is the line of symmetry of this figure, now what is the equation of that line? He's asked us to find the equation of the line of symmetry. So equation of y-axis is, as we know, x equal to 0. Fine. So this is our figure. Y-axis is the line of symmetry here, and the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0.